After a few minutes of placing this withdrawal, the money arrived at your wallet. Are you looking for a stable platform where you can make money online with using just your smartphone? This video got you covered. On today's video, I'll be giving you a guideline or a platform whereby you can earn money just by doing small things. You don't have to stress yourself on this particular app. This particular app is called Hyperlink or whatever. I will be dropping the link in the description or in the comment section. Anyone that you get you there, you can use this. I will be dropping the link for both the app and the app that you can use for withdrawing. So this particular app promised to pay me $0.1 for the first bonus. That is for the first bonus that they gave me. And finally, the money arrived at my wallet. I just placed my withdrawal. All you need to do is just to do your verification process and all of that. Just your facial verification. You don't need to do anything like KYC. All you need to do is just to download this app. Click the link on the description and you download the app, and also the link for the payments and the withdrawals. You can also download it from the description or in the comment section. I will be dropping the two links there. Here is a big disclaimer: this app is for educational purpose and not a get rich quick scheme. You have to do your own research if you want. So I'm just introducing the particular app. As of the time I was making this video, this app was still paying. It paid to my wallet, so you can still do your own research if you like, or you can just dive in, download the app and then begin to make money for yourself. Without wasting much time, let me show you this particular interface and what you need to be doing on this particular app to make money for yourself. You can make $10. Your minimum withdrawal for your first bonus, you can withdraw $0.1 just to confirm the app. Then their minimum withdrawal can be something of $10, and you can make that in just 3 days. Let's dive in.
When you click the link in the description, after you download this app, it will bring you to this interface. All you need to do in this interface is just to log in with your Google account, not your Facebook or TikTok. The best option is this your Google account. You can see here. Well, let me show you this particular one. You can see here. Just log in with your Google account and you are good to go. Press on this Google account, Google login. Since I have a previous account, I will just log in with my Google account on this particular one. Unless I'm on another device, that is only when I can log in with another email. So I'll be logging in with my own personal account right now. As you can see, we are on the interface on this particular app. Look at all these things on this particular app. We are on the interface of this app. All you need to do on this particular app is to cash out these things that you can see here. This particular one you can see here. Well, let me show you here and here. This particular one that you can see here, that is what you need to cash out. Just tap on it once and you will cash it out, depending on how many minutes that they give you. So you just like harvesting a crop that you planted. So when the crop has grown, you just tap on it like this. It will just harvest. So when you harvest it like that, your money is increasing. So if you want to place your withdrawal, okay, let me just show you this particular one. All you need to do here is to level up. You can use this place to level up or pray to another level. So it's from here that you level up from level to level. So I'm at level 30 right now, and as I'm at level 30, the thing will be increasing based on it is something different. Okay, you can do a lot of things on this particular app. You can earn very well on this particular app if you are serious with it. So if you want to withdraw, press on this particular video. Okay, let me upgrade first. Tap on it as it is showing like this. Tap on it as it is showing like this. You can see I just upgraded the money. I just upgraded my level to level 30 right now. I'm at level 30 right now. So press on withdraw if you want to place your withdrawal. Wait, let me show you what I press on. Here you can see your withdrawal details here. You can just press on withdrawal. Recently I withdrawn from this app. Like, I withdraw the bonus that they gave to me, which is $0.1 that they say that I can withdraw to my account, to my USDC account. So, and since I have this particular one, for me I can be able to get withdraw, because I'm not up to $10. If I'm up to $10, I can just place my withdrawal and just place on withdraw the $10. So mean that if you don't have up to $10, they will, as a new user, they will show you $0.1 that you would first withdraw. That is what I used to tell this app and know if it's paid, and it is legit, it is paid. As of the time I was making this video, this particular platform is paying. You can see this is the withdrawal I made earlier. Let me show you today, and this withdrawal was today. Here is it. This is the withdrawal. This is something of earlier today. I made this particular withdrawal. You can see $0.1 success. So, and the money arrived at my account. The money arrived at my account, and I can still show you the details. So when you want to withdraw, they will request for one thing from me, and what is that? They will request a facial verification, and you have your camera has to be clean, and you will scan your face. They will just tell you to smile and do all of that, all of those facial verification. That is the only thing that you are going to do on this app so that you can start withdrawing. That is only when you want to apply for withdrawal. You can earn in many ways on this particular app. You can earn by doing so many tasks on this app. Let me show you some other tasks you can do. Let's go back. You can see this particular place that they show mic here. When you join this place, is all you know you do is just to join some rooms, just like a group or live people that are live. When you join them, your bonus will be accumulating. Here you can also earn on this particular side. You can also earn by playing this dice game. Just click on it, and you just play some dice, some fun game like that, and you also earn your amount will increase. This with this particular $2, just not up to today that I made it, and I wasn't even much serious about this particular app. So this app is legit as of the time I was making this video. When you click the second link in description, you will also download this particular app that I used to place my withdrawal, which was the USDC or whatever. You can use to place your withdrawal. Let me log into my account. If you are in Nigeria, your amount will be showing in naira, but if you are in other countries, on this app you're going to be seeing it in dollars. You can see this particular one, USDC. That is the one I withdraw today. That is $0.1 that later arrived. You can see the date. This was January 8th that I did this particular video, and I played this withdrawal to confirm this particular platform. So if you want to get your details for withdrawal, just press on this deposits here. Press on deposits. On this deposits, you can just change it to USDC, and then you can place your withdrawal. And mind you, don't make any mistake to avoid loss of funds. You can see USDC here. You can see USDC here. Just tap on USDC, and you will see this particular Ethereum and all of them, but the one you will choose is this particular one, which is Ethereum. This particular one you can see here. Choose Ethereum here, Ethereum C20 or whatever, Ethereum. Then press on copy address. When you press on copy address, this you will just copy the address and then go back to the previous app which you use the first link to download. So you'll be required to place this particular address that you copied in the place that they will tell you to do your withdrawal. I will also show you the details because I made a video of when I was withdrawing. Here you will see it. And if you are someone that does not usually to come and claim your matured crops, to come and harvest your crops, all you need to do is just to press on this button here. From here you can buy a bot that will harvest it for you anytime it is due. So this particular bot here will harvest it for you. Just press on this button, and you can just press on activate this down here, and you'll be charged, I think, something about just now that my network is disturbing. and we charge something of about 1,900 something just for you to buy the bot, and the bot will do the work for you. Once offline up to 24 hours, you can see prevent crop theft, auto harvest crop for good and red. You can see 1,999, that is for the coins. So you just have to buy coins and then activate the bot. It will harvest it for you whenever it is matured.
Here are a few tips to maximize your earning on this particular app. All you need to do on this app is just to maximize. Here are a few tips for you to maximize your earning on this particular app. You just have to be consistent in it. Don't just play with this. Just take your time and do the task. Those tasks are very simple. You don't have to stress yourself. Please, if you found any value from this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Share this video to your loved ones, and thank you.